Yep. Yes, it's a YouTube video does not have any sound since I had to delete four of them. Yeah, you see me with the flash. Oops. Yeah, this is yeah, Huracan took a huge L or W. Took a huge L or a W for you. Yeah, he took a huge. So I'm turning on my iPhone flashlight. So yeah, my PSP comes here at least on Saturday, which I am so happy for myself. It arrived in my area, and then I'm gonna show you an unboxing to it in a horrible quality. But yeah, I'm gonna need to get some games from it, or at least give me a memory card for it. But yeah, what do y'all think of the new song we did on me and we on Ouija stream? Just let me know in the comments below. This is me, and I'm gone.